Steinbrucke knives. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three Rivers Survival. So we're going to do another gear review. I got a bunch of knives from Steinbrucke or Steinbrucke. I don't know if I'm actually saying that correctly, and I am going to drop the camera in a second. Again, these are just product tests. I don't know much about the company. I do have a company write-up, so I'm just going to read that to you. Steinbrucke Knives is committed to developing top quality knives worldwide with an enthusiasm to provide customer worldwide the highest quality knives at an affordable price. The group is based in the United States, always built blades with the highest performance material and a unique quality control process. Sharp, long-lasting, and easy to use are all the essential elements. Steinbrucke provides various types of knives of cutlery basics such as professional chef knives, paring knives, carving knives, and boning knives. Also premium quality folding knives for EDC and tactical purposes. All right, so basically what it is a Chinese company where they have a plant or a base in Carolinas. It is in the Apex, North Carolina area. I was contacted by Nina and she wanted to send me some products to review. Now, all the products that you see here will be made out of 14C28N. Okay, that is a Chinese steel. Obviously, it makes sense. They will be tie coated. All right, so the blades will be titanium coated. I asked for no serrations. They do have knives for serrations. Some of them will have the reversible clip, some of them will not. The Rockwell harness for most of these knives are going to be HR 60 to 61. Or sorry, the handles are stainless steel, which is kind of impressive. Most of the time they are aluminum, but they are stainless steel. SS 110 for the handles, and they have that really nice brushed look. So I'm going to drop the camera down so you guys can get a better look at this. All right, guys, let's start with the one that I've been working with. This is the OKVK-016 David. All right, just to give you an idea of the modeling number, the company. They also have a website. I'll put all the links down below if you're interested in the website, and you probably might be able to find them on third-party vendors. And if you want to, and I'll also try to find them on Amazon if I can. I'll also drop a link for that. All right. Typically on the website, $44.77. That's what they're listed for. I don't know if you get a discount or anything like that if you purchase from purchase multiples. All right. So pretty decent. First things first. All right. The blade itself, super sharp. Again, very, very good looking knife. I do like the weight in the hand. It does have 1, 2, 3 screws, or 1, 2, 3. It is a liner lock, and it is assisted opening, which I'm a huge fan of. Titanium coated, like I said. Does have a little bit of grooves or cut into the stainless steel, which is nice. All right, this clip is reversible, so tip up, tip down. Does have a large lanyard loop in the back, so if you want to add some a fob or some type of lanyard, you could do that as well. I've been using it to open up boxes. It hasn't been a problem. Very, very sharp, stays sharp. It does have thumb studs on each side. Okay, so if you didn't want to use the flipper, okay, you can just use the thumb stud. All right, so really nice. I really like this one because I do like the size. This one, the blade size is coming in at 3.5 inches, and the overall knife is about 8 inches. All right, so really, really nice. Very, very well done. I'm happy with that product. All right, let's go to the next one. This one is OKVK-018D or 18 David. All right, same thing, cardboard box. They all come in this plastic bag or plastic wrap. All right, and again, it is an assisted opening. I do like that. Very, very good opening, man. That's just good opening. All right, so it also has thumb studs. Same steel, same everything. All right, a little bit more of a compact design. Does have a hollow grind on there. Very, very sharp. Out of the box. All right, this also has a reversible clip. I think this clip is pretty stout. And it is also a liner lock. So big fan of that. It does look like this is more of, this looks a little bit darker than this color. Again, you can get the serrated version of this if you want. Let me give you some dimensions on here. So again, the blade is 3 inches and the overall is 7 inches. It does have a nice lanyard hole again for a fob if you wanted to. So really nice, well done. I do like to have the stenciling on the pocket clip itself, and it is somewhat of a deep pocket carry, so that's kind of neat. Let's look at this one. This is the OK VK-019. All right, you see the price on the box right there. And it's super tiny. I'm kind of going to go with, this is a pocket knife. It doesn't have a clip on it. All right, it's just super tiny. It does have assisted opening. Okay, so it's very similar to this one, only it's a little bit smaller. Stainless steel liner lock. I mean, this is just cool. It's just super tiny. You just put that in your pocket and you're good to go. Probably good in a survival tin or something like that. Same type of finish. Razor sharp out of the box. Really, really nice. Let me give you some dimensions on this. So it is a 2-inch blade or 2¼ inch blade. Overall is about 5 inches. All right, so really, really nice blades. Again, this doesn't come with any type of clip because of its size, but man, that's just super nice. These are really nice, affordable blades, guys. I think in my opinion, if you wanted something that was affordable, that you didn't mind messing up or beating up, I think you would be well served with these. They look very sturdy. They feel sturdy. They're a little bit heavier because they're all steel construction, and I like that. All right, I'm a big fan of that. All right, guys, let's go up top and finish up. Steinbrucke. I think these are good knives. I mean, as far as I can tell, they are pocket knives. So EDC carry, that kind of thing. You're not paying $300 for them, so they are not maybe a collector's item, but maybe as a gift or somebody that's going to go out into the forest, out in the woods, maybe a military or first responder type of gift. I think it would do very, very well. I especially like the big one. This one right here is like the perfect size for me. I can get a whole grip on it. It does have a little jimping up top, so I'm a big fan of that one. And I don't think you can go wrong with something like this. All right, so I'll put all the links down below, guys. Please check out Steinbrucke. I think they make a really good product, and I'm going to continue testing and see how it works out. So thank you very much, guys, and as always, stay safe.